In this video I'm going to show you how to do the quick USB cable setup of your HP LaserJet Pro 3004DW printer. So you have to wire this USB cable separately. It doesn't come with the printer. And this is the MacBook I'm going to use today. So first we will connect the printer. So switch on your printer. At the back of the printer we have to install the USB cable. Other end goes to your MacBook. Now go to your MacBook screen. Go to the system preferences, printers and scanners. On this screen click on the plus button. Select HP LaserJet Pro USB and click add. Instantly it adds the printer and now we are ready to use it. For example, if I have to print a document, click on the print icon. On the next screen you can make some changes if you want and then click on the. So this printer can do two-sided printing, so I can enable that and click on the print. Thanks for watching.